What do you think we should buy more of?
Green vegetables.
Yeah, I don't really like green vegetables.
I bought a big curtain to cover that whole thing right there.
It's
I think I might start my period.
all right, guys. We are gonna be cleaning the whole apartment. We already did most of it. I just forgot to record it. But this is a little before. Not really dirty. We just need to sweep and mop, clean up the island a little bit, and the restroom. The restroom is probably the dirtiest thing. But look, y'all always say that we're dirty and all this stuff. So I just wanted to document and film. Look, there is some dirtiness that we are gonna clean. I already went and threw out a big old trash bag full of everything. We bought these recently because we're gonna start cooking. And we're improving. Yesterday, I cooked some macaroni and cheese and I made some steaks. So if y'all remember back to my shopping video, I have fajita, steaks. I still got the tilapia. I'm gonna make that tomorrow actually. And we still got that, but I'm starting to like, and this right here was lasagna. But I'm starting to like cooking now. You know, I just wanted to update y'all. We've made muffins here. We do actually need to go grocery shopping again. Like, we don't really have too much stuff. I really like these little muffins. We got cookies. We got muffins. What do you think we should buy more of?
Green vegetables.
Yeah, I don't really like green vegetables.
Oh, we need more snacks too.
We need more snacks for Rosado when she packs to go to school.
Yeah, but you eat them.
Nah, I do be eating the snack.
He literally ate the coconut cookies in a day and didn't give me any. Like, are you serious?
I'm sorry. I was just in another state of mind and
And then in the night when we have them, he just randomly comes and gets like one and eats it.
yeah, I just be hungry. But to be honest, I think I'm gonna start a new journey. I texted my friend Culberson. I said this in the last video, but I texted my friend Culberson, and he's like a personal trainer. And he's like, yo, I seen your mukbangs. How are you gonna do how are you supposed to be like eating right and stuff? And I was like, look, the mukbangs will be the only exception. But I really just want to turn my life around a little bit, eat a little better, and just do better, you know? I want to be more healthy. But literally, guys, we woke up. We were supposed to clean earlier, right after the video we filmed, but we fell asleep. Nah, I fell asleep too.
Oh, for real? I thought only.
Nah, Rosada had a headache, and then I was just laying down, and then fell asleep. Actually, I want to talk about some things that I purchased for the apartment too. So, one of the biggest problems I've been having in this apartment is sleeping. And sleep is very important. And if you don't get a lot of sleep, you make not good decisions. You can get Alzheimer's from not having enough sleep. A lot of bad things come from not sleeping. And I feel like one of the big things is, let me show y'all. So, if you turn off all the lights, we're gonna clean that. We're getting ready, just don't worry. I think every Sunday we're gonna clean. But if you turn off all the lights, at night, there's that one light right there. It's not that much of a big deal, but it's just, usually at night, there's a lot of light, you know what I'm saying? Here, let me switch modes real quick. See, there's a lot of light in here. And me, I'm very sensitive to light when I sleep. My mom, whenever I'll be asleep, see, there's a lot of light that comes through. And whenever I'll be asleep, my mom will come in the room and stuff. She'll turn on the light, and you know, I'll wake up pretty instantly. So I bought a big curtain to cover that whole thing right there. It's like 10 feet up and down, and it's like meant to block out the light and stuff. And then another thing I bought, so today we went shopping to look for a frame, right? And I'm gonna try to get a bed frame. My biggest thing was I wanted to have something that was able to use the adjustable frame. So I'm gonna be looking for a new frame for the bed. But my brilliant idea is, you know, we have the TV remote and we have the bed remote. And they're always on the floor. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a little Velcro and I'm gonna put one right there. Put one right there. I'm gonna get some Velcro strips so you can put it right there. And I ordered some nightstands from this one company. They're gonna give me some nightstands. What else did I order? I'm trying to order things that make the apartment more livable. Like, it's not nothing crazy, but tomorrow we're gonna go order that blue couch. I was gonna drop a lot on a couch, but I was like, bro, there's no point. We're just gonna get a little $800 couch. So we're gonna get the blue one. Put it right there. This company is sending me a TV stand. The same company that's sending me the nightstand. And then my mom said she wanted to buy me some counter stools for like a housewarming gift. She really wanted to buy them for me, so I was like, Mom, I'll buy them. I don't know. Maybe she'll buy them. I don't know. I still need to talk to her. And actually, that's something I want to talk about. So, don't get me wrong. I love this apartment, but this is my first apartment, so I didn't know, like, yo, like one thing is like the closet. The closet is not big enough for me and Rosa. Put dishes away. Bing. Yeah, I think I just made a mess, to be honest. I don't know if we're doing this right. We're on the hunt for the bleach. Where is the bleach? Maybe it's in the I want to start a TikTok challenge where you go through your whole house and you open up everything, like all the door, anything that has a handle, you gotta open it. I could go by it, just like run, like start right here, like open, boom, open every door. It's gonna be called door check. Where was it?
It was next to the toilet because I cleaned the toilet last time.
Okay. Yo guys, Rosa found a little spot to put all her stuff.
Yeah.
So it won't be dirty.
Those are the pee cups.
Pee cups for the pee tests.
Yeah.
But I think we're pretty clean. Ooh, guys, I hope you guys are happy, man. Do me a favor, drop a like on this video for having a clean apartment. And shout out to Rosa. Everyone go subscribe to her channel. Oh yeah. All right, guys, Rosada just informed me that the whole apartment is clean. Clean as a bean. This is dirty. Oh, that's just a thing. But yo, everything is legit clean. Like, what the fudge? Everything is clean. So guys, there is our clean apartment. Pretty freaking clean if you ask me. You can't smell, guys, but it smells really good. The room. And oh, we do need to turn on the candle. All right, let me see. Where's the lighter? You know, I haven't used the lighter in a hot minute. Put on the candle right here. All right, hold on. So now we got the candle. This is clean. We go over here. Clean, very clean, guys. Everything is clean. I want to show y'all we finally have a freaking clean apartment. And you know, everything that I do on YouTube, I just want to document, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't documented the clean apartment. I get what y'all see. It's always looking dirty and everything, but I want to show y'all what a clean apartment looks like. So obviously we're about to lay down a bed, excuse you.
Yeah, if we weren't gonna lay down, the bed would be
made. But everything else pretty freaking clean, man. But yeah, guys, I'm freaking tired. Thank you so much, mi amor. What do you want as a little gift?
pancakes.
Pancakes? You want some pancakes?
Yeah.
Maybe we can get some pancakes. But if we get pancakes, I'm gonna inform you, I'm not going to sleep early. You can go to sleep early. Honestly though, I kinda do want some pancakes.
Do you wanna go?
Yeah, you ready to go? But yo guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you go watch our Denny's mukbang. We're about to go get Denny's right now. Are you okay, Mira? What happened?
I think I might start my period.
Yay! But yo guys, if you haven't yet, go watch our Denny's mukbang. We're not having any kids. We usually eat Denny's really late, so go watch this video on the screen. Adios.